Goodbye, tingling hands and weak legs. If your hands keep going numb or your legs feel shaky, your body might be asking for collagen. Collagen is what keeps your joints flexible, nerves steady, and movement smooth. After 60, your body makes less of it, and that's when stiffness, tingling, and weakness begin to show. But here's the good news. You can repair naturally. No pills, just easy. Everyday snacks rich in collagen and vitamin C to calm inflammation and restore strength and flexibility. Snack 1. Gelatin Fruit Nibbles. Gelatin is pure, ready to absorb collagen. Combine it with cherry juice and berries, fun, wiggly, and great for joints. Snack 2. Dark Chocolate Clusters. Dark chocolate, 80% cacao or higher, boosts collagen and protects nerves. Mix it with almonds and goji berries for a healing, antioxidant treat. Snack 3. Kiwi Crunch. Snack. 2 or 3 kiwis a day provide a collagen-boosting punch of vitamin C. Add a few toasted almonds for healthy fats and crunch, keeping joints flexible and nerves steady. Snack 4. Bone Broth Bites. Homemade chicken bone broth is full of glycine and proline to repair cartilage and ease stiffness. Snack 5. Cantaloupe Mint Cubes. Packed with vitamin C, the secret. Your body needs to make collagen and keep you moving. Freely. Snack 6. Guava Yogurt Bowl. Guava is loaded with vitamin C, and when paired with protein-rich Greek yogurt, it helps rebuild collagen while supporting nerves and joints. Each of these snacks is natural, delicious, and science-backed to help rebuild, repair, and renew your body. So go ahead, enjoy these simple bites every day and say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs. And hello to strength, flexibility, and smooth movement again. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world, and I hope these tips help you feel stronger and healthier every day.